And MediKane is an Australian natural health company that develops clinically proven plant-based health products to prevent, manage, and hopefully reverse chronic health conditions. Its flagship product, Nutricane D, is one of the first food-based natural health products clinically proven to lower and control blood sugar levels for people living with diabetes. Now, I've got Dr. Malcolm Ball, who is the Chief Scientific Officer and one of the co-founders of MediKane here today. He's here to tell us a bit more about what's happening next with the company. Hello.
Hi there, and thanks for having me.
Thanks for your time this morning. Now, your flagship product, Nutricane D, for people with diabetes, has had some incredible results in clinical trials. Can you tell us a bit about those trials and what you guys uncovered?
Yeah, absolutely. So what we did was we took people that were already trying to manage their diabetes, and we added Nutricane D into the mix. And what we found is that they were able to lower their blood glucose levels over twice as much as if they were just doing diet and exercise alone. And when you do a normal clinical trial, or it's often the idea is to give yourself the best chance of success, and we actually did the opposite of that. So we were giving them the best possible care that they could have already as our control group, and then when we put Nutricane on top, we got better results. So we're really happy with that.
Fantastic.
We've also just been invited into a Centre of Excellence to have a look at how it works, so we're understanding fully the mechanisms behind it as well.
Fantastic. So a product that lowers blood sugar that actually contains sugarcane is a very interesting twist. Can you explain the science behind that and why it doesn't, send the blood sugar flying, or, unpack it a little more for us?
Sugarcane has actually been used to heal for far longer than it's been used to make sugar. Where sugarcane is grown naturally, it's been used as a medicine for literally thousands of years. It's only just really recently that it's been used to make sugar. And because it actually uses sugar itself, like animals do, most plants use starch, but sugarcane uses sugar as an energy supply. So it has all of the biochemistry in it to be able to metabolize sugar. And that gives us the essential nutrients that we need to be able to do it better as well.
Very clever. Now, I understand you guys have a lot of other products on the market at the moment. Can you tell us a bit about those and maybe what's coming in the pipeline? Give us a preview.
Sure. So it's interesting, your previous segment was talking about looking at the body as a whole, and that's actually what we do as well. So all of these things don't happen in isolation, and a lot of it comes from gut health. And so our products are aimed extensively around improving gut health and having that radiate out to all aspects. So we've got a very effective product for constipation, and particularly for hospital-induced constipation, to relieve people so they can leave the hospital faster. We've got a product on the line for sports recovery, and we're about to release a whole product range for other inflammatory diseases like IBD, even arthritis and things like that, all based around the fact that if you improve the health of the gut, you improve the health of the whole body.
Take us through a bit more of the gut health. When did you guys work out that that was the important place to start?
Yeah, we started looking at this area about 10 years ago. So really when the idea of the gut microbiome was new. So people really didn't know that healthy bacteria played the huge role that we now understand that they do. So the first sort of 5 or 6 years of our research were really about understanding how it happens, why it happens, and how you can modify it in a way that you want it to be modified. And of course, now that's happening in a lot of different products for a lot of different reasons. And then we understood that the real benefit of food as medicine is that you can manage all of these things at once. So again, going back to the holistic approach, we're not trying to just inhibit pain in a joint. We're improving the gut health, and the gut health then lowers inflammation all over the body, and that can then lead to reduction in joint pain. It can lead to an improvement in digestion. It can lead to blood sugar management. And so that entire pattern together is really the core of food as medicine as a whole, and our products particularly.
Fantastic. Now, just before I let you go, MediKane is looking to launch a crowdfunding campaign. Can you talk a little bit about that before I let you go?
Yeah, absolutely. We're working over with the great guys at Birchall, and the website for us to find us is birchall.com. companies / MediKane. And we love the idea of crowdfunding because, you know, our company is all about helping people, and it just really works well that we can not only help them health-wise, but we can also help them financially. Everybody gets involved, and it's a really real community project.
Dr. Malcolm Ball, thank you so much for your time today. That's all I've got time for, and all the best. Thanks for joining us on Ticker Health today.
Thank you very much.